Yes, actually, Cablofil wire mesh is considered cable tray. It's both part of the NEC, National Electric Code, and NEMA VE1. NEMA VE1 addresses it directly by the type of tray that it is, a wire mesh, where the National Electric Code actually addresses it indirectly through other similar structures. The types of cables that can be put in cable tray are addressed directly in the National Electric Code in section 392.10. It lists over 20 different types of cables, including fiber optic cables, Cat5, Cat6 cables, power cables, and numerous other cables. Placing cables on the ceiling tile is a direct violation of the National Electric Code. There's a lot more information on exactly how to avoid that and what the direct violation would be, and we do have a white paper available on that. As the speed of networks and communication continue to increase and greater demands on the cable, you find that the cable tray actually makes a highway, and that highway dedicates a pathway for you to place all the cables and eliminates the stress that's involved with the J-hooks when they only have they're about placed every 4 feet or every 3 feet, and the stress on the cables actually can cause communication failures and can slow down your network. Yes, Cablofil has been tested with both Cat5e and Cat6 cabling and met all requirements, even to the point of it's been aged for 15 years and you still have the same performance guarantee after 15 years. We have more information available on our website in a white paper. Yes, we're a member of NEMA, and Cablofil is a NEMA rated tray. We meet all support requirements, and it can handle the full National Electric Code code fill requirements in our tray for any length up to 10 feet. We have more information available on our website. Yes, we meet all Canadian Standards Association requirements. Labor rates for Cablofil are substantially less than conduit or ladder type trays. It's about 60% less labor to install Cablofil than a conduit type system, and about 30% less labor than other type of wire mesh systems. Yes, Cablofil wire mesh can be shipped via UPS and FedEx. UPS charges an extra charge, where FedEx is up to 10-foot lengths at no additional charge.